Hey everybody, welcome back to Brody3 Gaming. Today, I will be doing a taste test, just like Jackson Wilbrink. So, Jackson Wilbrink blogs, actually, yeah. I'll have his link in the description below, and Fact789 and Master of Gaming, so you go check them out. So let's get right into the video. Alright, so, what I'm going to be tasting today is chocolate chips, Tostitos, and marshmallows. First, you take a marshmallow. Take a marshmallow. Take a Tostito. And open it. Maybe a couple. Grab probably the tiniest one. Place it on there. Wait, no, stuff it in there. And now you take, put your Tostito in there. I guess, I just don't want it to be. And then you take about 2 chocolate chips, about 2. Or 3 or 4 or 5, however many you want. And then take it, you just squish them on there in the marshmallow. This is hard. Really hard. 4. So it's just Halloween. It just passed Halloween, so I'm like addicted to candy right now. So, okay. Now you take that, and you get a plate, and I'll be right back checking with you guys. Now take a plate, put it on, and go microwave. Let's go. For about 15. 7. They're done. See, it's gonna be not hot, but we're gonna wait for it to cool down just a little bit and check in with you guys in like, I don't know, like a minute or so. See ya. I think the might be cool down now. That music was good. Okay, here we have it. It's not even falling. Don't want to take the chance, but it's like a Dairy Queen Blizzard. Okay. Fail. This is like really gooey. That's really good and sticky. Especially the chips. I'm gonna go wash my hands now. I'm done. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe to Jackson Wilbrink, Fact789, and Master of the Gaming. I will have their links in the description below, so go check their channel out. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.